So this video is going to be for newbies coming to Vietnam for the first time. A lot of people coming to Vietnam for the first time are really shocked by culture. We call that culture shock. As a newbie to Vietnam, the first shocking thing you might encounter is money. So you can see we have a lot of notes like this. I'm going to tell you the real values of the Vietnamese currency so that you can use them in the right way. In Vietnam, especially in the big city like Ho Chi Minh City, Hanoi, or Da Nang City, we usually use US dollar as a comparison to other currency in Vietnam. It doesn't mean that we like the US the most, just because it's very common, and also just because we just finished the war with the US 50 years ago. So we use US dollar just like the way we use English for international tourists coming to Vietnam. So it's